Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make this so elegant and very easy to make necklace set. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make this necklace set at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is Ganthan mala, 5 mm glass beads. I am taking blue color, you can take any other color also. Then laria. These are lock beads, or you can take zero size golden beads also, it's totally up to you. Then these are zero size pearl beads. Then golden beads chain, earring stud, necklace dori, then 30 gauge wire, Fevibond glue, basic material that is cutter, scissor, plier, and base. So to make this choker we need gantanmala like this. So this is approx 35 centimeter gantanmala and we need more of them. So I have taken this 10. Now I am taking this jump ring and in this I am going to add this gantanmalas. So I have attached and now I am going to add this necklace dori quickly in the same and we'll close this loop tightly. The same I'll repeat here. I won't maintain any sequence, but just we'll insert this in a jump ring and we'll quickly do that. So with this our choker we have attached. Now we are going to attach the dangles to this. So we are going to attach the dangles. For that I am taking this 1, 2 and laria. So I'll cut this laria in half and I'll make a dangle. So like this, and now we are going to attach this here. So add it to anywhere, it don't have any problem. So I'm going to attach it. So similarly we have to attach a dangle like this to all of them. So I'll quickly add to all. So guys, I have attached this and you can see it's looking so pretty. And now we'll make earrings. I'm taking this base and I'm taking these blue beads, 5 mm glass beads, and this is wire. So I'll add this one here in these beads in this wire. So I have added total of 6 beads and I'll wrap them here to make a bunch. We'll wrap it properly. Cut the extra part. And now I'm taking this Fevicol glue and we'll apply glue here. as it is a fabric, Fevicol is best, and we'll stick it over here like this. And I'm taking this Gantan wala and we'll apply a glue on this bead, and we'll just simply keep it like this, no need to do anything else. So now we'll wait for this to get dry and then we'll go further. So this has dried up. Now I'm taking this golden bead chain and we are going to cut this one in small size like this. So these are 6. So these are 6 in total, and there are 4-5 beads in each. So with the help of Fevicol I'm going to stick them together. So I'll quickly do that. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video. So we have applied and we'll wait for a while to get this dry and then we'll start our further work. So guys, this are dried up and now I'll quickly cut this one. So you can see this is the final finishing. Now we are going to apply earring stud to this. For that I'm taking this base and this earring stud and I'll insert this stud in this. So this base is approx the size of this base, and now I'm taking Fevicol and I'll apply proper Fevicol here, and then we'll stick this one on this. Okay, so again we'll wait for this to get dry and then we'll start up further work. So this has dried up and now I'll quickly cut this. So I have cutted this and now we are going to add Gantan mala to this. So we are going to insert Gantan mala in this, this section. You can see there is a beading wire. So first I'll insert this 30 gauge wire in this. So I have added this 30 gauge wire and we are going to attach these 2 Gantan malas in this. So one Gantan mala has 8 pearl beads and another one has 11 pearl beads. So first I'll insert the 11 pearl beads Gantan mala and then I'll insert this 8, which is smaller one, and I'll close this loop. So we have attached this here and now we are going to attach another this side to this after leaving 1-2 beads on this. So I'll quickly attach this to this side. Now I have cutted this, and with this our beautiful earrings are ready. And this is the second earring, and this is a beautiful and that's a beautiful choker. Yay! Do try to make this necklace at home. If you face any issue while making this necklace, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share, comment on it. And if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs like this. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.